With Subaru STARLINK in-vehicle technology, you can stay connected at all times with easy access to all the information and entertainment you'll need. Compatible with most iOS and Android devices, it connects via Bluetooth or a USB port and provides access to apps like Pandora, iHeartRadio, Stitcher, and AHA. You can create up to 36 presets, including selections from FM, AM, Sirius XM, and HD radio stations all together in a single list. STARLINK also keeps you informed with news headlines, sports scores, and stock market updates. Or split the screen to use audio and navigation at the same time for added convenience. STARLINK will also safely read your incoming text messages out loud and display them on screen.
Let's go grab a bite to eat.
Controlling the system is easily done via the touchscreen, steering wheel controls,
Please say a command.
or by voice commands without picking up your device.
Play AHA stations.
Playing AHA stations.
The system can adjust the temperature, change the music, find directions to your destination, and more. You'll find the available touchscreen navigation system intuitive and easy to use. For added convenience, the touchscreen functions like a tablet, allowing you to stretch to zoom in, pinch to zoom out, swipe to move to another part of the map, or rotate the map for a different view. Accessible via the touchscreen or voice commands, you can enjoy live traffic updates during your free trial subscription to Sirius XM Traffic. Using the AHA app, you can search a vast database for points of interest such as hotels. Then link directly to the navigation system to set your destination. As you can see, Subaru STARLINK in-vehicle technology makes it easier than ever to stay informed, entertained, and safely on course to your destination.